Hey, so tomorrow I'm flying to Portugal, and everything what you can see here is what I'm taking with me to this small 20-liter backpack that fits the airline restrictions in Europe. So I have like 4 groups: clothes here, toiletries, and electronics and other important things. So let's start with the jacket. I'm bringing just one jacket, one flannel shirt, one pair of jeans, one like basic sports pants, 3 t-shirts, one polo shirt, 3 pairs of socks, 4 underwear, microfiber towel, 2 long sleeves, one small umbrella, and shoes. Those are my favorites: Skechers Go Wax 6, I think, very comfortable. Flip-flops, of course. Let's go to toiletries. So that's the toothbrush, toothpaste, Vaseline for that's my just hair product. Maybe I'm gonna talk about it in the future. Dental floss, cheap perfumes, salt deodorant, and shampoo, like a bar of soap. Those are the toiletries. Electronics, of course, my phone, but right now I'm filming. Power bank, Anker, headphones, Galaxy Buds Live, charger, cables for Apple Watch, iPhone, and headphones, and Apple Watch 7. Right now, the sleep section: eye mask, very important, and earplugs for sleep, and earplugs for like clubs, the special like earplugs for music, and the pillow, air inflated. I don't know how to explain. Just like on this, inside this pillow is just air. Important things like passport, debit card, and my wallet, and chewing gums. And like reusable grocery bags, plastic grocery bags that I can use for like laundry or like groceries, or like pack important stuff and go with it. So yeah, that's gonna be everything. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.